The word vinyasa. What is that? What does it mean? If you heard that in class, what can you expect? So vinyasa is kind of a common term for a sequence, but the most common sequence you'll see with the vinyasa is going to be stepping back to a plank, chaturanga lowering to up dog, and back to a downward dog. The first one we're going to take together is going to be a modified variation. The second sequence we take, I'll take the traditional. Moving forward in your practice, you choose how you want to take it. It doesn't have to be either or, a little in between, or however your body's telling you it wants to move. But first, we're going to get into it with a simple sun A. Feet at the top, inhale, hands reach above our head. Exhale, dive down, forward fold. Inhale, push away, half lengthen, flat back. Exhale, hands on the mat, step back, and we vinyasa. Modified variation, we ground knees, bend elbows to ribs, all the way to the earth we land. Baby cobra, inhale, lift just the heart. Exhale, relax. Now push into a tabletop and downward dog. So that's going to be our modified variation. If you're beginning your practice or you're kind of being gentle on your body, that's probably the variation you should take. Next, we're going to take the traditional variation. Inhale, look to your hands. Exhale, feet to top. Walk, step, or float. Inhale, half lift, push away, flat back. Exhale, relax, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, hands above our head, all the way. Exhale, dive down, forward fold. Inhale, push away, half lift. Exhale, hands on the mat, and we vinyasa through. High plank to the bottom of your plank, lifting the chest, shoelace sides of the feet, up dog. Roll, downward dog. That's going to be your traditional way of taking it.